Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Jeep Grand Cherokee engine. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical mishaps. Next, protect sensitive electrical parts like the alternator and fuse box by covering them securely with plastic bags. Finally, use a brush or compressed air to clear away any loose dirt and leaves from the engine bay. Now, let's get to the cleaning. Apply a high-quality automotive engine degreaser evenly across the engine bay, focusing on greasy areas. Allow the degreaser to penetrate the grime for about 5 to 10 minutes, following the product's specific instructions. For tougher spots, gently agitate the dirt with a soft bristle brush. When rinsing, use a low-pressure water spray, avoiding direct streams onto electrical components you've covered. After rinsing, it's crucial to dry the engine properly. Use compressed air to blow out water from crevices, or carefully wipe down surfaces with clean microfiber towels. Once dry, remove all the plastic coverings from your electrical components. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. For a professional finish, apply a non-silicone, water-based dressing to all plastic and rubber hoses and covers to restore their original luster. Maintaining a clean engine bay helps with early detection of leaks and potential issues. Make it a habit to inspect your engine bay regularly for any new dirt buildup or fluid leaks. A light detail every 3 to 6 months will keep it looking its best. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. A clean engine not only looks good, but can also contribute to better performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.